Welcome to another technology video by Partita Productions. In this video, I'll show you how to access your digital citizenship. As you can see, you can view the lessons for your grade. Also, where it says student games for your grade 3 through 5, and also 6th grade, you could push these games to your Google Classroom and have your students do them. At the end, they'll receive a little certificate that you could take a picture of and then send that in. You could either log in or sign up if you haven't done so. So for myself, I would go ahead and log in. You would log in with your Google CUSD credentials. And then from here, you would actually have access to the site. Then you would go to your digital citizenship. From here, you would go to lessons. Once you get to the lessons, you could obviously select your grade. In this case, you can do K through obviously 6. For example, if I want to do 3rd grade, and then from here, you can just go ahead and click on the lesson that you'll be doing. And then once you scroll down, click on the lesson here, and then it'll have you to go ahead and download some slides or the student version of the lesson with an answer key and go from there. You can also print it and save it as a PDF file. So then you would do this for all the lessons that you would have. Again, remember, you only have to send 2 pictures or type of documentation to satisfy the requirement. From here, you could also, what I've done with my class, I would have gone to the our student games. You could do digital compass for 6th grade or grades 3 to 5. You could do digital passport. You'll click on that, and it's basically games that you can actually that deal with digital citizenship. For example, one is password protect. Another one is multitasking on a cell phone. Another one would be examples of online messages and what type of information is it appropriate to share. And as you can see here, you could actually share it to your Google Classroom. And if you do that, I'm already in my Google Classroom. Choose a class. I would say would be your class. And action. Go ahead and just do an announcement, and then click go. And then your students can be able to access that particular game. And then from there, at the very end of the game, you would they would give them a certificate. Just take a picture of the screen and send that in.